Assalamualaikum and good morning. I am from Group 2. Will present about my product, which is Reconfigurable Toilet Chair. So, what is Reconfigurable Toilet Chair? Reconfigurable Toilet Chair is a reconfigurable toilet chair incorporated with seat to stand and seat to sleep capabilities. The technological solution for extensive wheelchair users to promote their quality of life, safety and comfort. This chair is used by someone who needs help going to the toilet due to illness, injury and disability. A reconfigurable toilet chair sometimes has wheels to allow easy transport to the bathroom or shower. It also has a removable pail and flip bed armrest. So, it has three objectives, which is number 1, to determine the engineering, sustainability, capabilities and costing of the reconfigurable toilet chair. Number 2, to improve the design and functionality of existing common chair based on the user requirement. And lastly, to analyze and test the usability of the product development by using simulation software. Then we go to the problem statement, which is there has 3 problem statement. So for number 1, COVID-19 disease. Currently, the world has come the latest issue, which is COVID-19 disease, and attack the person that occurred death. So to prevent from this virus, we must not share the item, especially public toilet. So with the absence of this toilet chair, it can prevent from using by many person because this toilet is creating for one user only. So the problem number 2 is urinary incontinence. Basically, the elderly and disabled people with urinary incontinence will go to the toilet frequently for excretion. This problem is occurring especially for the elderly people because the aging will change and it will affect on the kidneys and bladder. Generally, there are several types of urinary incontinence, which is the stress incontinence and the urge incontinence. Besides that, the disabled people also face some difficulties, especially in terms of excretion, because the disabled people need to move their wheelchair when they are going to the toilet. This will cause some inconvenience part of them.
Salam, sejahtera and good day to all the panels. My name is SYAHRIL. Today I'm here would like to discuss about what particular compartments would be involved in the product design of reconfigurable toilet chair. As mentioned earlier, the reconfigurable toilet chair is a type of device which aid the user by providing the proper temporary toilet to the elderly and disabled people. In order to fulfill the requirement of this product, there are several compartments will be involved in this product. Generally, there are 12 compartments will be involved in this product prototype. The compartments that involve are handrail compartments, backrest frame, water storage tank, support frame, waste separator, caster wheel, base frame, footrest, body structure, support frame, seat frame, and also the product compartment with functionality. The caster wheel which equipped in this product is used to provide the movement. Other than that, the fist is used as a platform to put the user feet. Besides, the water storage tank and water tubing is used to provide a cleaning functionality. Other than that, the detachable backrest frame which aid the user easy to get into the product. Furthermore, the square shape cushion which used to provide the ergonomic principle to the user. The waste separator is also known as a place for storing the excrement in this product. Next, before kickstart designing of this product prototype, which is reconfigurable toilet chair, the design concept that applied in this product is design for environment, design for manufacturing assembly, and also sustainability environment. This is the life cycle thinking of this product. The life cycle thinking would be involved for 5 different phases, which are resource, retraction and refining, manufacturing, packaging and distribution, use, and also end life of the product. The following session is the discussion about the eco-design web. The example below are the eco-design web of component use. The example of component used in this product are steel component, rubber component, polyurethane component, polyethylene component, and also polypropylene component. The eco-design web that's shown at the right hand side shows that the entire product gives the good impacts in 5 different phases, which are just now I have mentioned earlier: resource, retraction and refining, manufacturing, packaging and distribution, use, and also end life of this product. Next is the eco indicator. The eco indicator for entire products is version 124.20. Based on the eco indicator that has calculated, the value for the production material, processing and transport is 998.14, whereas the result for the use of transport, energy and auxiliary materials is 126.03, and the value obtained during the disposal phase is 0.02676.
Assalamualaikum, my name name is KHAIRUDIN. Today I want to present about material selection for produce reconfigurable toilet chair. Material selection is important to choose a quality material. There are 4 important steps that we taken for selecting the best material for reconfigurable toilet chair. First step is translation, second step is screening, third step is ranking, and last step is documentation. There are some selection properties that have listed in table, which is density, moldability, fracture toughness, waterproof, and lastly cost. This is the bill of material for reconfigurable toilet chair. There is material of polypropylene is used to make part bar and rectangular flat bar. The quantity that used is 8. The material for HDPE is used for water storage tank, tubing, and waste separator. This is of example material that we use. In this process are several types of manufacturing that would involve to manufacture reconfigurable toilet chair. The main material that used to fabricate this product is steel and plastic material. Generally, there are 3 typical processes would be involved, which are fabrication, joining, and finishing process. The manufacturing process which involve are mechanical fastening, injection molding, welding, and thermoforming. The compartment body frame be involved for manufacturing process are fabrication, mechanical fastening, injection molding, and thermoforming.
The product enhancement also has done by the students. The compartments that involved in the product enhancement are caster view, backrest frame, seating compartments, and also handle. At this situation, the brake or stopper is added to the caster view. This specification which able to prevent the toilet chair from moving at the inclined plane, added to the backrest frame and seating compartments which used to absorb shock, also practice the ergonomic principle. The cushion that added at the handle compartments which used by the user which able to provide a comfort holding texture to the use. Now this is the cushion section. Please lend me your ears and listen carefully. I would like to make a comparison of market available product with our improvement product. Surely there are some reasons why customers should purchase our product. Let us look into the details for the market available product, which is Headline folding backside comfort chair, and also our product which is reconfigurable toilet chair. Based on the functionality, our product is more advanced because our product has caster view which then make user life easier, which is able to move from one place to another place. Other than that, most of the market available product does not have water storage tank and water tubing. Some innovation has applied in our product. The water storage tank and water tube is added at our product because by having this specification, the user able to flush the water in the waste separator after using this temporary toilet. Generally, this product is something like a temporary toilet for the elderly and disabled people. The foot threads compartments that equipped in our product, which then will provide the user comfortable place for placing their feet. Other than that, this specification will also able to practice the ergonomic principle too. This ergonomic principle should be practiced by all the user in order to make sure that the lower pain disease can be released or practice the ergonomic principle. As I mentioned earlier, the ergonomic principle shall be practiced by all the elderly and disabled people also because they are sitting at the chair for a prolonged time because of their working difficulties. Remember, our product is unique and because it equips a lot of different specifications. Please spend some time to look into our product, and once you purchase, you will not regret.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Binti KOSHIM. Today I will explain about the engineering analysis and simulation of reconfigurable toilet chair. Okay, structural analysis is to determine the load which is on the physical structure of the product. By doing this analysis, we identify which structure cannot withstand the load. We use the Van Mises stress analysis in the CATIA software to test this structural analysis. When the force 100 Newton is exerted on the surface of the seater, it can be seen that the area that have most critical contact is at the joining section between the seater and body frame of the product. When 100 Newton load is exerted on the seat frame, it is in a shape, which means it's able to withstand the heavier load. This is the example of the static analysis result that we got from the test. Next, I will explain about the ergonomic analysis. Ergonomic analysis focuses on human being and their interaction with material, information, procedure, and environment that used in work and everyday living. To analyze this ergonomy, we use ruler analysis. What is ruler analysis? It is used to evaluate the exposure of individual ergonomic risk factor, which associate with upper extremely MSD. Why we need to get this analysis? In order to get the score level of MSD risk as shown as the table below. 25 percentile mannequin is made using the CATIA software. As you can see, both sides of the body score is 3, which is low risk, but change may be needed. If we do this analysis, we got 4, and when we do the product enhancement to reduce the score, which lead to the lower the risk of getting back pain by putting the cushion. Okay, factor of safety. It used to express how stronger of a product when the heavier load is exerted into it. For our product, it is used to measure the reliability of appropriate design of product. This is the formula to calculate the factor of safety, where S equal to yield strength and the S stand for stress or actual stress. We put our value of base frame and the PVC pole inside the formula, and then we got the answer, which is 1.054. Hence, our product is safety to be used because it is bigger than 1. Now, I will explain about the functionality of reconfigurable toilet chair. Before that, this is the whole product of reconfigurable toilet chair, which can be used for especially to disabled and elderly people. Okay, now I will explain about the functional analysis for this product. The leaning side, which is the backrest part of the chain and also the wheel caster. Backrest can be removed, so it helps to easily transfer to the toilet chair. Wheel caster is also provided to help with the movement of the product. Lastly, I will show the animation of water pump flow. It is a working operation by using hand pump. The hand pump is pressed by the user. Then, the water is flow out from the water storage through the tubing. At this time, the water will then splash around the waste separator for the cleaning purpose.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad SYAHRIL bin SAMSUDIN. I would like to talk about the cost analysis. So, we talk about material use and the cost. Cost of material. So the cost estimation is used to track the expense and spending. This can help the manufacturer to determine the fund status. So material that we use is polypropylene PP for round bar to make a support frame body structure. The price is RM40. Next is polypropylene for rectangular bar. The price is RM35. Next, polypropylene for rectangular flat bar, and the price is RM55. We have also the steel footrest. The price is RM20. HDPE water storage tank. The price is RM25. HDPE tubing. To make a tubing, the price is RM50. Next, we have HDPE waste separator. To make the waste separator, the price is RM25. Next, we have EPDM handle. To make handle, the price is RM35. We also have a PUR flexible block foam cushion. To make a cushion, the price is RM25. So we have alloy steel. To make a wheel caster, the price is RM40. Stainless steel leg poles. One packet about RM10. Next, blank rivet pin about RM8. So the total is RM278. So here is a fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost, factory rental, labor cost, machine rental, machine maintenance, non-production overhead. So the total is RM5,950. For the variable cost, material cost, electricity, fuel usage, and the total cost is RM310. This is a cost for 864 unit. So we have decided the price to be sold is RM350.
For conclusion, so the product was designed especially to disabled people and elderly people which difficult to go to the toilet. This product comes with benefit which is installed with water pump that can use to wash without go to the toilet. It capable to open backrest because the user has not to walk to the chair to sit, and lastly can be used as a wheelchair that can use at outside activities. For product design, there has the FE which use 50% plastic, 40% metal and 10% rubber in material selection, and the MFA is defined about on compartment is necessary for user to use. But this product has detected with a limitation which cannot be able to disassemble backrest frame and weaknesses in terms of weight. So the recommendation is reduce weight of storage tank and establish automatic water pump. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.